In manufacturing, a lot of thought goes into the planning and the organizing of every step of the production process to achieve optimal results. As you can see, the automation works hand in glove with skilled labor at various stages. Now let me show you how things can get even smarter by introducing Industry 4.0 for the defense industry. Let's start with resource optimization. Steel, a base material, is delivered in large sheets, and from that sheet we need to cut various shapes and sizes. To minimize material wastage, engineers use a concept called nesting. The idea is kind of like cutting cookies on a sheet of cookie dough, but in engineering, the process is a lot more sophisticated. To optimize every square inch of steel, the size and shape of each piece to be cut is actually fed through a computer program that determines the optimal way to place the shape on the uncut sheet. Here we have a manufacturing execution system, or MES, that acts as a dashboard. It constantly collects real-time data so that technicians and managers have an accurate gauge of each process at all times. Is production on schedule? If you see here, green means the jobs are being completed faster than the standard. And if you see the display show orange, it means the jobs are moving slower. So now that we know what's not working so well, we have the opportunity to assess why and make corrective decisions expediently.